windy today. It's gonna be hard to bike. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna go catch some gar in here for the sake of it, and then I'm gonna catch some little bass for my tank for a pet. Lots of gar. Might try to catch one later. Hasn't rained in a while. It's pretty low. Oops. Well, that's not a bass. Jeez. That's gar bait. The gar love them. Cichlid. Got a gar. Oh, he spit it. Dude. It's alright, it's alright. There's plenty more. Gar on. Woohoo! Oh, you butt. Dang, gar is a pain to catch, dude. Jeez. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Right there, that's a Florida gar. That's one of many that's in here. Alright. Take this handsome fella off. Now, the cool thing about gar is that they come up and they breathe air out of their gills. Now, instead of breathing air underwater, they come up and breathe air, which is really cool. And that's why they're in these mud holes, because these are low oxygenated waters. And the only way of breathing is they come up and breathe air. It's really cool how they do that. But the bad thing is they smell like crap, and their teeth are razor sharp, and they're so bony it's hard to hook up some. So the only way of catching them is to, well, let them swallow the hook. And I cut the hook on that one because I can't get that hook out. But it's alright. We got 2 bluegill in the bucket over there. I'm gonna try to use them in my lake later. Hopefully some big bass will eat them up. And yeah. Got my bluegill out, the bobber. See if I can get a nice, good old 4-pounder. The wind is ripping. So rough. Alright. Lots of bluegill blowing up over there on my breath. Let's catch them. Nice bass. It's about a 4-pounder. Choked the bluegill too, right out in the middle of the lake. Alright, let's let big girl go.
I can't get it. They should eat the spinner, right? What kind of thing you use?
Swim bait. Alright. Got a nice little 1-pounder on a swim bait. Ooh. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye, handsome fella. Dude. Nice one. Ooh. Flip up. Getting bigger. It's about a 2-pounder right here. Oh no, my swim bait's gone. Darn it, dude. It's a nice one. Nice. Alright. You go free, buddy. Go! There he goes. So far, it's looking pretty good. Got windy conditions and cloudy. Good day to, I might use a topwater pretty later. And yeah, as you saw yesterday, I've been catching the gar and stuff. So it got dark really fast, so I decided to continue video the next day. Yeah. Alright, let's catch some more. A nice little squeaker. Buddy. Oh, here's another. Alright. Got a little squeaker. Thanks for cooperating and eating my bait. Took a while for the next fish to eat, but it was alright. Alright. Anybody go? Woo. All right, get me wet. Jeez. All right, let's get some more.
Wait, nice bluegill. You might. Wait, what?
All right. It's a nice one. Here it goes. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll post another video hopefully this weekend, and that'll be saltwater. Catch some Goliath grouper. All right, thank you. Keep fishing.